How to fix Fortnite Crew payment issue on Xbox. So if you want to fix Fortnite Crew payment issue in Xbox, then what you need to do is you can simply go with the search, and under search you need to first search for Xbox and go with the Xbox website, which is www.xbox.com, and make sure to sign into your account. Go with sign in, which is on the upper right, and sign into your Xbox. Now, once you've signed in, you just need to simply go with the profile, which is on the upper right, and go with My Microsoft account. Once you go with My Microsoft account, you might need to sign in again or log in again to your Microsoft account. Then you'll get this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with the subscriptions option. So go with services and subscriptions, which is on the left side. And here you will have all of your subscriptions or services. So you just need to simply go with the Xbox subscription that you have. So in my case, I don't have the subscription right here. But if you have the subscription, you just need to simply click on the subscription and you will have manage your subscription option. You can simply go with manage your subscription and you can either cancel your subscription or make the payment from here. So the best way to fix this option is to pay now and finish making the payment manually. That way, the next time you go inside of Fortnite, the payment will already be approved of that particular Fortnite crew. Afterwards, you can set up automatic payments. But if you don't see the option to make the payment manually, and you also don't see the option to cancel the subscription, then unfortunately you will have to contact their customer support. So to contact the customer support, you can simply go with the help option, which is on the upper right, or you can just go with the official Xbox website and you can simply go with support, which is right here, and go with the Xbox support. And here you just need simply go with the search, and under search you just need simply search for contact us, or you can just scroll down all the way down, and here you may have the contact us option, which is right here under the customer support. Click on it and you can simply call the support, or you can go with a web chat, or you can simply go with ask a question to a virtual agent, or just simply click on contact us. And after that, they'll be able to answer you. And after you prove your identity, they will be able to renew the subscription for you on their end. Usually, this is a bug that happens randomly and it just affects people to where they cannot make their payments for their Fortnite Crew subscription. So that's how you can fix your Fortnite Crew payment issue on your Xbox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.